Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to join two Zoom meetings at once. So actually that's so simple to be done, and there is an easy trick that you need to do that. So first you just need to sign in from different tools. The first one, you need to go into zoom.us, and then you will sign in from one account. Alright, so next you will go through your Zoom Workplace app that you can get from Microsoft Store or from zoom.us/download, and download it into your desktop, and then open it and sign in on a different account. Alright, so here we need two accounts and Zoom Workplace app and also the website. So let's sign in from one account on Zoom Workplace app. Alright, okay, open Zoom meeting, and then you just need to go into your Zoom platform website and then sign in from another account. Let me check which accounts I joined here. Alright, so the different accounts, as I said. Alright, so here what you gotta do, you will head over into your app and then click on join, fill the informations, click on join, and then copy paste the invite link of the meeting that you want to be in. Alright, and then head over into your website, click on join also, and do the same steps that you already did on your workplace app. Anyways, guys, that the video. As I said, it's and as you see, it's so simple and so easy. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching.